Okay guys, welcome back. It's your girl Ada and you are welcome to my channel. Guys, this is the base cream that I made before. I'm just going to work on it now and use it on my body. This is the base cream, this is the remain. I'm going to use this for my face. I like to separate them because there are some oils, there are some additives that you use on your body that you are not supposed to use on your face. Maybe they will be too harsh on your face, so that is why I like to separate them. So this is the base cream. I'm just going to mix my additive. I'm going to dissolve my kojic acid, arbutin and naiciniamede powder now. These are the powders. So this is the arbutin. I'm just going to take and this is the kojic acid. And this is the naiciniamede. So just going to dissolve it and add it to my mixture. So guys, before the powder dissolves, I'm just going to add my other additive to it. I have my carrot oil, cold pressed carrot oil that I made myself. This is cold pressed carrot oil. You see how thick it is. You can see how thick it is. I'm adding 2 tablespoons. And I have the glycerin here. I have a very dry skin, so I use a lot of good oils on my skin. Just 1 tablespoon. And I have my lactic acid here. I believe you know the function of lactic acid. Just a little. And this is the vitamin E oil. Just a little. This is the castor oil. A little also. Your skin is going to benefit from all this oil. So, and I have my, this is my tea tree oil. Sorry, excuse me. This is my grape seed oil, guys. I'm sorry. I just bought this. I've not opened it. So you can see the label. So I'm going to take, it's my grape seed oil. And I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to add orange oil. I made this orange oil myself. This is a cold pressed orange oil. So you just have to mix them together. Okay guys, my powders has fully dissolved. I'm just going to add it to my mixture here. Oh fuck. and we're going to stir. I'm just going to mix them together. So guys, if you notice your cream is too thick, you can add rose water to it, but for now I'm just going to use my whisker to whisk it first. This is my body lotion. It's still very thick. This is summertime. You don't need to use heavy cream on your body. You just need a light cream on your body. In winter time you can use heavy cream on your body. So what you're just going to do is to add a little bit of your rose water and stir it again. Now I'm going to add my tea tree essential oil. This is okay. And this is my preservative. A teaspoon of my preservative. I'm just going to mix together. This is my, can you see it guys? Okay guys, I'm done mixing the cream. I'm just going to transport it. I use this to mix the cream because it's very easy to transport it with this. So we're just going to transport. Okay, so guys, this is the video for today. I hope you learned something. Okay guys, this is it for today's video. As you can see, I'm done mixing my body lotion, and I'm going to mix this other one for my face. I usually use different additive to make my body lotion and my face cream. Stay tuned guys. My next video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my soap from scratch with my lye solution. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and family. See you all guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.